Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that is Coco or Minnie Mouse. Click that subscribe button please, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Okay y'all, super excited about today's video because, okay, let me rewind a little to something that was very embarrassing. Did not even want to address it because I was so embarrassed. So we went to Vegas and I made the lipsticks at the Lip Lab. I will link the video below, and we also went to Irvine and did that. So when we were in Vegas, I posted the two lipsticks that I made, and one was Twins Times 2 and one was Shopping with Shannon. And I posted it on my personal Facebook and everybody kept saying congratulations. And the first person, I said, oh, thank you. And then I'm telling my husband, like, why is everyone saying congratulations? Like, I just went to this place and made my own lipstick. Then I realized, ding, 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 everyone thinks that you started your own lipstick line. And I had people messaging me and saying, hey, how can I support you? And all of these things. And I was so embarrassed. I was so embarrassed. I did not know what to say. But then something like clicked in my mind and it was like, why don't you do this? You could do this. It's totally in your realm. Start your own lipstick line. So, oh, that looks good, Coco. So that's what we did. But today's video, I am asking for your help. So obviously, I don't want to get in over my head, right? I have some sample lipsticks. I've narrowed them down. I've done like polls on my Instagram stories, but I want to narrow it down to 5 lipstick shades, maybe even less than that. Right now I have 9 different shades. So what I'm gonna do is swatch them, tell you the number. If you like it, just put that number in the comments so that I can tally it all up. I'd also like to come up with names. So you have to come up with, oh, nice palette. You have to come up with a name for the company, right? And you get to design the packaging, your logo, everything. And I'm thinking that I'm really loving Pore Cosmetics or Pore Beauty. For those of you who've been with us for a while, you know that Pore was my little pug puppy. When we got her, she was sick. She had distemper and we just didn't know. So we only got to have her for about a month and a half, but I want to kind of have a tribute towards her because she brought me so much happiness. Anyway, off topic. I'm gonna go through these by the number and swatch them for you. Okay, so all of these shades are matte shades. I'm gonna start with this one. This is number 102. I've tried them. I do actually really love the formula. They're not drying. They last for a while. I wish I had like a better, like on camera, it's a different shade. Everything always seems a little bit different. So if you like this one, put 102 in the comments. This is 103. This is going to be a quick video, y'all. I honestly just genuinely want your opinion on this. This shade is 103. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking Pore Cosmetics or Pore Beauty. Let me know what you think. This is 104. They're just so beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, good job. Trying to come up with a logo. I think I'll definitely keep it very simple, but I need to figure out if I want to go with Pore Beauty or Pore Cosmetics. 105. Just, they're so gorgeous. I want to wear them in my videos, but then I can't say like, hey, the lipstick of the day, because you can't actually get them yet. So, oh, the lipstick of the day, let me stop. It is Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. It's that matte lipstick. I will link the lipstick and all the makeup that I'm wearing today in the description also. This is 107. I mean, I just love, I love these shades. What?
Mama?
Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, I love all of these shades, so it's really hard for me to narrow it down. But as somebody who is investing in themselves, I don't want to get in over my head and not be able to sell the products that I have. You know what I'm saying? This is 110 right here. Very pretty berry shade. Just, I love all of them. Like I said, I'm investing in myself and I don't want to get in over my head here. Okay, so this is what we have so far. 102, 103, 104, 105, and then 107 and 110 down here. Let's go this way. We only have 3 more to go. This is 112. So 112. Remember, put in the comments the numbers that you like so that I can tally it up. I've been meaning to do this video for so long, but I just get so wrapped up in life, and then my daughter is visiting, so like I'm gonna knock out 3 videos today because she's staying in this room and she's 15 and I like to give her privacy, so coming in and taking over the room, I feel bad doing that. Anyway, so that's why I'm like so behind on this. 115 right here. Love them so much. Oh yeah, that's your palette?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coco and Yaya got a lot of makeup for their birthday. Their birthday was on the 20th. They got lots of makeup and lots of toys. 116 right here. I feel like this is the fastest video. I almost feel like I'm screaming out bingo numbers or something. Okay, so I'll run through them again. This is 116, 115, 112 there. And then you have 110, 107, 105, 104, 103, and then 102 up here at the top. Okay, literally one of my fastest videos ever, even with me rambling. Yee. That's a lot. So that is them. I'm gonna wipe them off before I ruin my new white shirt. Probably was not a good idea to wear a white shirt today. Okay, so those are all of the shades. Help me out. Let me know, which shades do you like? Which shades do you dislike? What do you think about Pore Beauty or Pore Cosmetics? I've thought of other names, but I just feel like, I miss my chorus so much, so I just want to keep that in the theme. Anyway, before I start to ramble on, I was going to say for the video gets any longer, this is a short one today. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Say bye.
Bye.
Good job, Coco.